All right, we're going to look at projectile motion problems, and we're going to start with the very first one that we did on free fall, which is the one about Galileo dropping a basketball from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Now, in the problem, they tell us that the Leaning Tower of Pisa is 56 meters tall. Okay, and so that 56 meters is the distance that the basketball is going to fall. Okay, and that's really all they give us. That makes it a little bit difficult, right? But we know something else about this basketball. We know that it's falling. And so when something is falling, we know that it is accelerating at a rate of 9.8 meters per second squared. So we have A, and we have distance. Okay, now the question is, what was the velocity right before it hit the ground? How fast was it going right before it hit the ground? So what we want to know is the final velocity. So we have d, a, vf. We don't have any time here, so what formula do you think we're going to use? We're going to use vf squared equals vi squared plus 2a, and then that change in distance. Okay. Now our change in distance, we already know it's going to fall 56 meters. We know that A, acceleration, that's 9.8. And we know that VF is our unknown, so that's going to hang out there. Now my big question is VI. How fast was it going before it started falling? Well, if Galileo was up here holding it, he didn't throw it down, so he didn't give it any initial velocity, that VI is 0. Okay? So we're going to take the numbers that we know for sure over here. 2 times 9.8 times 56. I put it in my calculator. I got 1097.6. Okay. That's 0 squared. 0 times 0 is still 0. So we're just going to ignore that. And that's equal to VF squared. Okay. Now, we don't want VF squared. We want just the final velocity. How fast was it going at the end? So how do I undo a square? The opposite of squaring something is taking the square root. So I need to take the square root of both sides. And then I have just VF is equal to the square root of 1097.6, which I get 33.13 meters per second. Okay. So at the top, Galileo was holding it. It wasn't moving. As he dropped it, for every second that it fell, it was picking up speed, getting faster and faster. So right before it hit the ground, which of course the ground's going to stop it, but right before it hit the ground, it was going 33 meters per second. Okay, look for the next video where we will do a horizontal projection.